Welcome back. So last time we discussed some very essential commands and options in the Matlab environment. So today we are going to discuss some more of the commands and some of the tips and tricks which you can use in your programming assignments. Okay, so let us have again some commands here. So in our first command, let us have a variable like a equal to 10, b equal to 7. Okay, and these are the variables which are again saved in my workspace. In order to see the values here, what I can do, I can just type them here, and after pressing enter these will appear here. Okay, so this is one of the other method of displaying the value of any variable. Similarly, if I run or write b here, what it will do, it will basically print the value of b here. Similarly, I recently told you guys that ans is another variable which is by default variable which is used to store the values of any command which were not previously assigned to any other variable. So writing ans here, what it will do, as no value has been previously assigned to ans, so therefore it is not showing me any value here. Okay, similarly, in order to see the type of the variables which I have assigned here, what I can do, I have the function here which is called class. Okay, so after class and then the brackets here, and after brackets what I can do, I can basically put the variable here in order to check the data type of the data which is basically the a has. Okay, so after writing it and pressing enter here, it will basically show me double because a is the double data type. Okay, similarly, if I have another variable like c equal to, let me put here some value here, and that is, let me call it Matlab. Okay, so this is the Matlab. In order to show it, I can write again here c. Okay, so again writing class here, and in class again bracket open c and then bracket close. What it will show me, it will show me that it is the character data type. Okay, so in similar manner it will show me the data types of all the variables which I will assign them. Okay, so this is all about the variables. So what if I want to clear this command window? What I will do, there is a command here that is called the clc. So writing clc here, what it will do, just writing clc here and pressing enter here, it will basically clear the command window here. Okay, so what if I want to clear the variables here, what I will do, there is another command and that is called the clear. By writing clear here, what it will do, it will clear this workspace here. So okay, so after pressing enter, you will see that no variable is now available in this workspace. Similarly, we are going to discuss some other operations which are related to the vectors or matrices. So in our next lecture, we will talk about the matrices. In today's lecture, let us talk about the vectors. So suppose I have a vector like this one, 1 2 5 6. Okay, so this is a vector here, and this is also called the one-dimensional array here. Similarly, in order to find the transpose of it, what I can do, I can write a, and over it I can write this inverted comma, and pressing enter here, I will see that this was basically the row vector which is now converted into the column vector. Okay, similarly, this is the transpose here. In order to find different elements here, I have recently told you that I can write this here. So let's suppose if I want to find the fourth element here, it will show me that this is 6. What if I want to find the first three elements here? What I will do, so there is this colon here. What it will do, it, if I want to find out the values of first to third entity here, what I will do, I will write 1 and this colon, and at the end of it the third element. So what it will do, it will give me the first three elements. Okay, so that is the slicing operation which is carried out by this slicing operator here. Similarly, what if I want to find out the solutions of some equation? So let us have the equation here. So let me go to the here. So let us have the equation here, and that is the 5x plus 10. we can very easily see that in writing or solving it manually, what I will get the roots of this equation, and that is the -2. So value of x equal to -2 will satisfy this equation. How to solve this equation by using the Matlab, this is the topic of this item here. So again, we can very easily see that we have two coefficients here. This 5 is the coefficient of my x term, while 10 is the bias or the constant term here. So in order to write the coefficients here, what I can do, I can very easily see that the coefficients here are basically 5 and 10. So let us find out the solution of this problem by using the Matlab. So now again, going to the Matlab terminal here, so let me have d, which is basically 5 and then comma 10. You can write the comma here, or you can also put space here as well. Both of them will give you the same meaning. Okay, so writing d is equal to 510 and then assigning it to the d, and after it what I can do, there is a command here that is called the roots. So roots here and then d, putting the value of it, what I will get here -2, which was the same answer which we have seen previously. Okay, so that is about the solution of the first order homogeneous or non-homogeneous equations. Okay, so through this you can solve as many questions as possible. So if you have more than one equations here, how you can solve them, that is now the problem of the matrices, which we will see in our upcoming next video. Thank you so much. Practice over all the commands which I have shown you here, and after it don't forget to CLC clear, and after it, once you are done, just write exit here. So after exiting, what it would do, just pressing enter, and you will out of the Matlab package. So thank you so much, and I will see you with some more videos. Thank you.